Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you my new sleep mask. This is a 100% blackout. It's breathable and 0.8 pressure. I love that because I don't like to feel pressure in my eyes or in my face when I'm sleeping. So came with this bag to put it in. And this is the instruction. Have this elastic band to adjust to your size, and as I say, I have a 0.8 pressure and 100% blackout. So I'm gonna put it right now. As you can see, we are in a room with so much light. So I'm gonna tell you if I can feel the light in my eyes. Okay, this is the accessory that you can use to adjust. I'm gonna adjust it a little. I really can't see the light, and I feel so comfortable around my eyes. Have these circles here that make more comfort in my eye. I don't feel pressure and I can see anything. So this is a perfect accessory for a better sleep. I highly recommend it. See you.